Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set privacy options on the Rave application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Once it is loaded in, go to your home page and then tap on the plus icon that you will find down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then select the service that you would like to use. Select a video that you want to watch. You should wait till it's loaded in. And here you can see this section, who should be able to join this Rave. So here you can select the
my mother's a carnivorous plant.
privacy options. You can set it to public, meaning that anyone can join your Rave, or only the nearby people near you. So you need to share your location first, so you have to allow the application to have access to your location. If you tap on the settings, you will be directed to your phone settings, where you need to allow the app to have access to your location. Here you can set it to while using the app or always. As you go back, you can also select the friends option, meaning that you can invite friends and only your friends will be able to join it, or you can set it to private, meaning that only those can access it that you have invited to your Rave. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.